Let's talk about the most trending Mahavidya. We are going to talk about Mahavidya Baglamukhi. But do you know Baglamukhi is the modern name given to her? Her original name is Mahavidya Baglamukhi. So Baglamukhi, the root word is Valga, which means the one whose mouth is brittle, which means the one who controls and who reigns over the speech, the mouth. All right, and that's how her symbolic demonstration is she holding the tongue of the enemy. Now here we have to understand one thing before getting into the science of her, that when we worship her with the intention of controlling and taking control over the enemy's speech, sometimes we are also, and in fact most of the times we are our own enemies. I always say, and I repeatedly say, that in order to even think and name Mahavidya, the first thing we have to do is introspect and reflect within ourselves and work on bringing changes within ourselves, do the shadow work in order to even praying to them, because they will test, they will see that if you want justice and if you want your enemies to fail, how righteous have you been, have you followed dharma? And then either things work, and if they work karma, to sabko bhugatna padega. Alright, so here Mahavidya Baglamukhi is ruled and also rules Mars, planet Mars, the planet of courage and vigor and adventure. And here the consort of Mahavidya Baglamukhi is Lord Eka Batra Maharudra. All right, it has to be ferocious. Okay, now here anyone who, as we have already established, anyone who wants to win over court cases, any legal matter, any kind of control over gangster problems, land acquisition, any kind of litigation, any kind of dadagiri, what we say, and we want to get over that, and we are very sure that we have followed dharma, this Mahavidya definitely helps you. Yo, what is the most important thing in worshipping Mahavidya Valgamukhi or Baglamukhi? It is that it is such a ferocious power. It's going to take a lot of courage. It's a very, very, very strong energy. So when we pray to this Mahavidya, we have to be the Veera. Andar se strength honi chahiye. Only being righteous is not enough. You have to sit on your spine, be straight, look at the mother and tell her, I have been righteous, मैंने धर्म किया है, मुझे अब justice चाहिए. All right, and that's how Dasa Mahavidya will help you get over your karmas and also give you all the justice you deserve.